have a rather tacky house on Long Island, which you own, and there are some people there who take care of these cats.
And they're for adoption.
3 people?
How do they for adoption?
Oh, you mean you don't want the cats to live there forever?
No, I mean, some of them, yes. Obviously, nobody's going to take the 3-legged job and the one with the wired jaw. They're not hideously cute.
Yeah.
And there's a couple of weirdos there. Florence, who has lived on the icebox for 5 years.
Marge and Jesse know each of the cats' names and can even remember how each one came to be here at the cat house.
Fred came from the Bronx, and he was the first guy to move in, and he is just absolutely great now. He has learned to be a friend.
There are standouts in every crowd, and this place is no exception. There's Oscar, the radiator walker, for example. Sugar Ray, the boxer. Kitty, weighing in at 25 pounds and looking very much like a wild puma. The easily excitable Woodstock. And, of course, Florence of the refrigerator.